Good morning students, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear students, we started geography lesson number 6, lifeline of national economy, in which we read about the three types of transportation. One is land, second is water and third is air. In previous video we discussed about land transport, in which we discussed roadways, railways. Now, today our next topic is pipeline. What is pipeline? Pipeline transport new work in a new arrival of the transportation of map of India. Its initial cost is high, but subsequent running costs are minimum. It used for transporting crude oil, petroleum and natural gas. It rules out transshipment losses and delay. Gas pipeline from Hazira in Gujarat connect Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh via Vijayanagar in Madhya Pradesh. Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur pipeline is famous pipeline. Now, so students, we read the last topic of land, that is pipeline. Now, second is waterway. Waterway is the cheapest means of the transport. It carry heavy and bulky goods from distant places, and it is fuel efficient and environment friendly mode of transport. Major seaport with a long coastal line of 7,516.6 km in India is 12 major and 181 medium and minor ports. So, Kandla in Kutch was the first port developed soon off in India's seaport. So students, we read about the waterway. Now, next is airway. It can cover very difficult terrains like high mountain, desert, dense forest and also long oceanic stretches with great case. Air transportation was nationalized in 1953. Air India provide international air service and Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited provide helicopter service to oil and natural gas commission for accessible or distant places. So students, we read about pipeline, airway, major seaport and airway. In next part we will read about communication. Yes students, our next topic is communication. What is communication? Exchange of information is known as communication. And communications are two types. One is personal communication and second is mass communication. In personal communication, letter and phone are used, and this communication is done between two persons. And next is mass communication. Mass communication include TV, radio, newspaper, press, film, and mass communication program in national, regional and local languages. Mass communication is variety of programs and it provide entertainment and create awareness. So we read about communication. What is communication? Exchange of information known as communication. These are two types. One is personal and second is mass. Dear friends, our next topic is class of mails. There are two types class of mail, first class and also there is first class in first class, one side that is cards and involved, and second side book, packet, registered newspapers are also come in first class emails. And both emails, first this one and this one, carried by the surface mail covering land and water transport. So students, we read about the class of mail. These mails carried by surface mail covering land and water transport. Our next topic is mail channels. There are different mail channels. First is Rajdhani mail channel, Metro mail channel, Green, Business, Bulk, and periodically mail channels are famous mail channel. Now, this is about the communication. Our next topic is trade. What is trade? The difference between export and import is known as trade. What is trade? Difference between import and export is known as trade. Trades are also two types. One is local trade and second is international trade. Local trade done within city, town, village and state level. And international trade done between two or more countries, and international trade is the index of countries' economic prosperity. So this is about the trade. Trade, difference between import and export, two type, local and international. Within country, town, village, state level is known as local trade, and between two or more country is done international trade, and this is the index of the country's economic prosperity. Our next topic is international trade and India's. What is international trade and India's relation with other countries? Firstly, India occupy excellent trade relation with the countries in the world. Excellent trade relation. Second is India import petroleum and its product, precious stone, coal, coke, machinery and fertilizer from the other countries. And what India export? India export agriculture, allied product, ores and mineral gems and jewelry. India earns software gain. India hold considerable position in international trade. So students, we read about communication, class of mail, mail channel, trade. In this way, this lesson, geography lesson number 6 is completed. We read about three ways. One is land, second is water and third is air. So friends, I hope you have to understand this lesson properly. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.